Om. Om. शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। हृदाकाशे सदा भान्तं शान्तमानन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानभानुमहं वन्दे सद्गुरुं सत्यसायिनम्। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं श्री गुरवे श्री सत्यसाईनाथ श्रीपादुकां पूजयामि नमः। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं श्री परमगुरवे श्री शिरडी साईनाथ श्रीपादुकां पूजयामि नमः। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं श्री परमेष्टि गुरवे दत्तात्रेय स्वामी श्रीपादुकां पूजयामि नमः। मातर्मे मधुकैटभग्निमहिष प्राणापहारोऽद्य मे हेलानिर्मितधूम्रलोचनवधे हे चण्डमुण्डापहे शुम्भध्वंसिनि हेलानिर्मितधूम्रलोचनवधे हे चण्डमुण्डार्दिनि निःशेषीकृतरक्तबीजदनुजे नित्ये निशुम्भापहे शुम्भध्वंसिनि नाशयाशु दुरितं दुर्गे नमस्तेऽम्बिके। ॐ नमश्चण्डिकायै। Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Hari Om, Shalom, Sai Ram, Namaste. Thank you for all joining on this every fresh moment of being present in the divine love and grace of the Mother that destroys anything that comes in between the oneness of the presence in unity in diversity. That words represent the meaning of what Chandi means. Chandi means the one which destroys anything that comes in between the oneness of presence of ourself to the entire cosmos. And in the context of that presence, so many factors interfere, some totally gross and recognizable, some very subtle, and you are not even aware. In the Prathama Charitram, the Mother is invoked to come out so that the presence is restored to destroy gross impurities called as Mala, and those are the Madhu and Kaitaba. And in the Madhyama Charitram, all the gods, energies which are themselves the Mother, present as the Shakti, come out and become the Shiva, and then she destroys the gross presence of 14 different forces associated with tamasic Rajoguna called Mahishasura. And that is the Madhyama Charitram. And in the Uttama Charitram, also some people refer to as Uttara Charitram, but Uttama is the one that is the most superior, where the Mother has to do a lot more work than just removing this gross manifest Rajoguna and Tamoguna. Because now I don't know how many of you, if I'm using Sanskrit words that sound like gibberish, just raise your hand. I'll try to bring it down to common language. What happens is we speak in sometimes without knowing the meaning of these words. And so I don't want to imply that if you are not connecting to those, just raise your hand in the reactions and we can bring it down. And in the 8th chapter, we just went through the Mother destroying the forces associated with very subtle feelings that are aligned with the I and the mind, and those 8 different forces that we are subtle ego, associated with the subtleness of the ego, including spiritual pride, that I am holier than thou. That is the most how it is most difficult one to be destroyed, because the person already thinks he knows, and therefore you can't do any, and pretends. It's like Bhagavan says very beautifully somewhere, if a person is awake, you can directly speak to that person. If a person is asleep, you can wake them up and speak to them. But if a person is lying down and pretending they are sleeping, you can never talk to that person. So the people with spiritual pride are such people. They think that they know. The moment they know Rudram, they think that they know all the Vedas. The moment they think some little chant, they think that, oh, I am a Pandit now, I can. That spiritual pride and ego is the most difficult, subtle. And when that comes in, you have to get into this yajna of BABA. The true yajna is BABA. And that yajna is be aware, be alert, or be alert, be aware. And what this Devi Matyam is doing is continue to raise our awareness and alertness, so that something pops in, then immediately you're recognizing, I am aware. And now I am alert. And then if you invoke this incredible thing called this Durga, Dukkhe Nagatum Shakkate Iti Durga, she will not even allow such things to enter into the presence of oneness. And that is the beauty of Devi Mahatyam. And that is really an amazing spiritual text that is told as a very simple story of a woman fighting with a bunch of demons and then destroying them. But in every mantra, every shloka, there are amazing spiritual secrets that are related to yoga, that are related to sadhya, swadhyaya, and related to tapas, and related to spiritual transformation and progress of an individual. And that is what we are studying. And now we will get into this beautiful 8th chapter, where we concluded yesterday when the Brahmani, Kaumari, Vaishnavi, Varahi, Aindri, Shivaduti, all of them are now attacking all these asuras, and those are now rampant. These mothers are palayana paran drishtva daityan matruganarditan yodhumabhyayayau kruddho raktabijo mahasuraha. Looking at or seeing all these daityas palayana paran, running away, getting beaten up by the Matruganas, the Sapta Matrukas, and also the Sivaduti, Yodhumabhyayayo Kruddho, with great anger, Mahasura, the great Asura by name Raktabija, had come forward to fight. Who is this Raktabija? Stay tuned to this Raktabija and just pay amazing attention to this Raktabija. With every one of these shlokas, pay ultimate attention to this Rakta Bija. Rakta Bija, the seed of blood, or every blood drop being a seed. Palayana paran drishtva daityan matruganarditan yodhumabhyayayau kruddho rakta bijo mahasuraha. Go ahead.
पलायन परान् दृष्ट्वा दैत्यान् मातृगणार्दितान्
पलायन परान् दृष्ट्वा दैत्यान् मातृगणार्दितान् पलायन परान् दृष्ट्वा दैत्यान् मातृगणार्दितान्
योद्धुमभ्याययौ क्रुद्धो रक्तबीजो महासुरः
योद्धुमभ्याययौ क्रुद्धो रक्तबीजो महासुरः योद्धुमभ्याययौ क्रुद्धो रक्तबीजो महासुरः
पलायनपरान् दृष्ट्वा दैत्यान् मातृगणार्दितान् योद्धुमभ्याययौ क्रुद्धो रक्तबीजो महासुरः
पलायनपरान् दृष्ट्वा दैत्यान् मातृगणार्दितान् योद्धुमभ्याययौ क्रुद्धो रक्तबीजो महासुरः पलायनपरान् दृष्ट्वा दैत्यान् मातृगणार्दितान् योद्धुमभ्याययौ क्रुद्धो रक्तबीजो महासुरः.
That yodhumabhyayo, there should be a little more holding for matra. Yodhumabhyayo, little more holding on.
Yodhumabhyayayau, sorry, Yodhumabhyayayau, sorry,
योद्धुमभ्याययौ क्रुद्धो.
Okay. Yodhumabhyayayau क्रुद्धो.
Again, even the yo also, there should be, there are two long holdings there. Yodhumabhyayayau क्रुद्धो.
Yodhumabhyayayau क्रुद्धो
Raktabījo
mahāsuraha.
Good. Thank you. Thank you for that. So all of you that are the 143 plus on the call, you all are chanting after Sandhya, so you're not just watching them chant. Otherwise, you won't get the practice. Raktabindur yada bhumau patatyasya sarirataha. When a drop of blood from his body falls onto the earth, Raktabindur yada bhumau patatyasya sarirataha samutpatati medinyam, immediately from that moment arises samutpatati, on that moment tat pramano mahasuraha. The moment that blood drops on the earth from his body, the same stature of that same guy would just pop up. Raktabindur yada bhumau patatyasya sarirataha samutpatati medinyam tat pramano mahasuraha. Go ahead.
Raktabinduryada bhumau patatyasya sharirataha.
Raktabinduryada bhumau patatyasya sharirataha. Raktabinduryada bhumau patatyasya sharirataha.
Samutpatati medinyan tat pramanastadasuraha.
Samutpatati medinyan tat pramanastadasuraha. Samutpatati medinyan tat pramanastadasuraha.
Raktabinduryada bhumau patatyasya sharirataha. Samutpatati medinyan tat pramanastadasuraha. Sorry, one second. I have to prolong this even more. Excuse me. Samutpatati medinyan tat pramanastadasuraha.
Raktabinduryada bhumau patatyasya sharirataha. Samutpatati medinyan tat तत्प्रमाणस्तदासुरः.
Why don't we repeat this one more time? रक्तबिन्दुर्यदा भूमौ पतत्यस्य शरीरतः समुत्पतति मेदिन्यां तत्प्रमाणः स तदासुरः.
रक्तबिन्दुर्यदा भूमौ पतत्यस्य शरीरतः समुत्पतति मेदिन्यान् तत्प्रमाणस्तदासुरः. Should I repeat once again?
No, that's good. Thank you.
Fine, that's fine. So there is a variation in the Telugu. It says Mahasuraha, and in the Sanskritam and in English it is saying Tadasuraha. I'll look at that. Don't get distracted by that.
And one more.
Yuyudhe.
Sairam, one more. Tatpramano or Tatpramana. That maybe you have to concentrate there also.
Tatpramanas Tadasuraha. Yeah, Pramano will be Mahasuraha. Pramanas will be Tadasuraha. So I will, yeah, it's related to Mahasura words. Thank you. Thank you for that. Okay, so Yuyudhe Sagada Panir, but let's focus on what is happening there. It is Mahasura or Tadasura. The bottom line is when a drop of blood falls on the ground, at that moment, immediately, the same stature of the same Rakshasa, Raktabija, will pop up. Yuyudhe Sagada Panir Indra Shaktya Mahasuraha Tataschaindri Swavajrena Raktabija Matadayat. Then this Raktabija fought with Indra's Shakti with a club, Gada, mace in his hand. And then Aindri also, Tataha, Aindri Swavajrena, using her thunderbolt, she has beaten up Raktabija as well. He was fighting with Aindri with his mace, and this Aindri, using her thunderbolt, was beating up Raktabija. Yuyudhe Sagada Panirindra Shaktya Mahasuraha Tataschaindri Swavajrena Raktabija Matadayat.
युयुधे सगदा पाणिरिन्द्र शक्त्या महासुरः
युयुधे सगदा पाणिरिन्द्र शक्त्या महासुरः युयुधे सगदा पाणिरिन्द्र शक्त्या महासुरः
ततश्चैन्द्री स्ववज्रेण रक्तबीजमताडयत्
ततश्चैन्द्री स्ववज्रेण रक्तबीजमताडयत् ततश्चैन्द्री स्ववज्रेण रक्तबीजमताडयत्.
Again, focusing on both the holdings, Tataschaindri, both are long holdings. We just bringing it to people's attention. Yuyudhe sagada panirindra shaktya mahasuraha tataschaindri swavajrena rakta bijamatadayat.
युयुधे सगदा पाणिरिन्द्र शक्त्या महासुरः ततश्चैन्द्री स्ववज्रेण रक्तबीजमताडयत्. युयुधे सगदा पाणिरिन्द्र शक्त्या महासुरः ततश्चैन्द्री स्ववज्रेण Bijamatādayat.
Okay, Sairam. So the previous one, the shlokam, the English has to be corrected. I will make the English and correction of the, it has to be not Mahasura, but it has to be Yudhe Sagada. The previous one is Tadasuraha. It should be Mahasuraha, not Tadasuraha. So I'll make, so the Telugu version is correct. The English and Devanagari is Guptavati text. So that is We keep going through this, but we will make those adjustments. It has to be Mahasuraha, cannot be Tadasuraha. Okay, Sairam, let's go to Kulisena Hatasyashu Bahu Susrava Shonitam Samuttastustato Yodhas Tadrupas Tatparakramaha. Kulishena Hatasyashu, when the Kulisha, which is the thunderbolt, has hit him, lot of blood started flowing out of him. Bahususrava Shonitam Samuttastustato, and from that Yodha, then immediately there and then from that Yodha, which is the warrior, the Rakta Bija, Samuttastustato, immediately had arisen. Tadrupa, same form. Tatparakrama, same valor. When the blood is flowing out of the hit from the thunderbolt of Aindri, Kulishena Hatasyashu, he started losing his blood immediately. Bahu Susrava Shonitam. And as this blood is flowing, you can imagine same valor and same form, Samuttastu Yodha, immediately started raising. Kulishena Hatasyashu Bahu Susrava Shonitam Samuttastustato Yodhas Tadrupas Tatparakramah.
Kulishena hatasyashu bahususravashonitam.
कुलिशेना हतस्याशु बहुसुस्रावशोणितम् कुलिशेना हतस्याशु बहुसुस्रावशोणितम्
Samuttasthustato yodhastatdrupastatparākramaha.
समुत्तस्तुस्ततो योधास्तद्रूपास्तत्पराक्रमाः समुत्तस्तुस्ततो योधास्तद्रूपास्तत्पराक्रमाः
Kulishena hatasyashu bahususravashonitam. Samuttasthustato yodhastatdrupastatparākramaha.
कुलिशेना हतस्याशु बहुसुस्रावशोणितम् समुत्तस्थुस्ततो योधास्तद्रूपास्तत्पराक्रमाः कुलिशेना हतस्याशु बहुसुस्रावशोणितम् समुत्तस्थुस्ततो योधास्तद्रूपास्तत्पराक्रमाः
Yavantah patitastasya sharirad raktabindavaha. From the body of him, how many number of blood drops have fallen? Yavantah patitastasya sharirad raktabindavaha. Tavantah purusha jata. So many number of people, Tavantah purusha Jata, were born, Tadvirya, with so much of valor, Bala, Vikrama, strength and courage. Virya, Bala, Vikrama. Virya is valor, Bala is strength, Vikrama is courage. With, now you can imagine, you are in the battlefield and blood is falling from his body, from his huge body, and immediately all these guys are popping up like, what is that thing in that smack mole kind of a thing? Boom, 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 boom. They're popping up in the battlefield. Yavantah patitas tasya sharirad raktabindavaha tavantah purusha jatas tad virya bala vikramaha.
Yavantah patitastasya sharirādraktabindavaha.
यावन्तः पतितास्तस्य शरीराद्रक्तबिन्दवः यावन्तः पतितास्तस्य शरीराद्रक्तबिन्दवः
तावन्तः पुरुषा जातास्तद्वीर्यबलविक्रमाः
तावन्तः पुरुषा जातास्तद्वीर्यबलविक्रमाः तावन्तः पुरुषा जातास्तद्वीर्यबलविक्रमाः
यावन्तः पतितास्तस्य शरीराद्रक्तबिन्दवः तावन्तः पुरुषा जातास्तद्वीर्यबलविक्रमाः
यावन्तः पतितास्तस्य शरीराद्रक्तबिन्दवः तावन्तः पुरुषा जातास्तद्वीर्यबलविक्रमाः यावन्तः पतितास्तस्य शरीराद्रक्तबिन्दवः तावन्तः पुरुषा जातास्तद्वीर्यबलविक्रमाः
ते चापि युयुधुस्तत्र पुरुषा रक्तसंभवाः समं मातृभिरत्युग्रशस्त्रपाताति भीषणम् ते च अपि युयुधुस्तत्र पुरुषा रक्तसंभवाः. Then all those men that have arisen from the blood have started fighting equally with the Matruganas in a dreadful manner, and therefore hurling away in a way to attack their weapons and everything. Matrubhihi atyugra shastrapata ati bhishanam. Those are the words under that long word, matrubhiratyugra shastrapatati bhishanam. So all these warriors that were born from the blood drops of Raktabija, they all started fighting, hurling away weapons at all the Matruganas in a dreadful manner. Te chapi yuyudhustatra purusha rakta sambhavaka samam matrubhiratyugra shastrapatati bhishanam.
ते चापि युयुधुस्तत्र पुरुषा रक्तसंभवाः
ते चापि युयुधुस्तत्र पुरुषा रक्तसंभवाः ते चापि युयुधुस्तत्र पुरुषा रक्तसंभवाः
समं मातृभिरत्युग्रशस्त्रपाताति भीषणम्
समं मातृभिरत्युग्रशस्त्रपाताति भीषणम् समं मातृभिरत्युग्रशस्त्रपाताति भीषणम्
ते चापि युयुधुस्तत्र पुरुषा रक्तसंभवाः समं मातृभिरत्युग्रशस्त्रपाताति भीषणम्
ते चापि युयुधुस्तत्र पुरुषा रक्तसंभवाः समं मातृभिरत्युग्रशस्त्रपाताति भीषणम् ते चापि युयुधुस्तत्र पुरुषा रक्तसंभवाः समं मातृभिरत्युग्रशस्त्रपाताति भीषणम्
पुनश्च वज्रपातेन क्षतमस्य शिरो यदा. Then when the Aindri had hit his head with the thunderbolt, Babaha raktam purusha stato jata sahasrashaha. Now from that blood that came out of his head, thousands of demons were born again. Punascha vajrapatena kshatamashya siro yada bhavaha raktam purushastato jatas sahasrashaha. The point here you have to keep connecting to is why is the same thing described over and over again? There is a significance to that, and we will come to that after we study this slokas. You have to pay attention to that. Is he crazy? Hasn't he said that once? How many times he's saying the same thing? 4 shlokas now spent on same people coming out with the same valor, everything. What is the point of this? Let's go to that later. You will understand why it is so significant. Punascha vajrapatena kshatamashya siro yada vavaharaktam purusha stato jatas sahasrashaha.
पुनश्च वज्रपातेन क्षतमस्य शिरो यदा
पुनश्च वज्रपातेन क्षतमस्य शिरो यदा पुनश्च वज्रपातेन क्षतमस्य शिरो यदा
ववाह रक्तं पुरुषास्ततो जाताः सहस्रशः
ववाह रक्तं पुरुषास्ततो जाताः सहस्रशः ववाह रक्तं पुरुषास्ततो जाताः सहस्रशः
पुनश्च वज्रपातेन क्षतमस्य शिरो यदा ववाह रक्तं पुरुषास्ततो जाताः सहस्रशः
पुनश्च वज्रपातेन क्षतमस्य शिरो यदा ववाह रक्तं पुरुषास्ततो जाताः सहस्रशः पुनश्च वज्रपातेन क्षतमस्य शिरो यदा ववाह रक्तं पुरुषास्ततो जाताः सहस्रशः.
So attention to be paid to this short holding, which Jayashree very well pointed, chanted, Vajrapatena Kshatamashya. So short holding, which means it has to be said together, and the Ksha should start off with the Patena itself. Jayashree, you pointed it out very well in your chanting. Thank you.
Vaishnavi samare chainam chakrena bhijaganaha. And Vaishnavi came into picture. Previously it was Aindri, and Vaishnavi is the one that is carrying chakra, the discus, as her weapon. Gadaya tadaya masa Aindri tamasureshwaram. Now all these with the mace, with the chakra, with the thunderbolt, all these weapons are being used against this Asureshwara. Vaishnavi samare chainam chakrena bhijaganaha gadaya tadaya masa Aindri tamasureshwaram. In the second line, tadaya masa, there should be a slight pause because Aindri is a vowel. So whenever there is an vowel in the center of a line, you take a short pause and then chant Sai Ram.
Vaishnavi samare chainin chakrena bhijaganaha
Vaishnavi samare chainam chakrena bhijaganaha Vaishnavi samare chainam chakrena bhijaganaha
Gadaya tadayamasa Aindritamassureshwaram.
Gadaya tadayamasa Aindritamassureshwaram. Gadaya tadayamasa Aindritamassureshwaram.
So like Bhaiya said, this is one opportunity for us to take a breath. So you have to take that break there. Gadaya tadayamasa, take a breath. Aindritamassureshwaram. Good. You did correctly, Jayashree. I'm just bringing it to, bringing the focus on it. That's it. Vaishnavi samare chainan chakrenabhijaghanah gadaya tadayamasa aindritamasureshwaram.
Vaishnavi samare chainan chakrenabhijaghanah gadaya tadayamasa ऐन्द्रितमसुरेश्वरम् वैष्णवी समरे चैनं चक्रेणाभिजघानः गदया ताडयामास ऐन्द्रितमसुरेश्वरम्
वैष्णवी चक्र भिन्नस्य रुधिरस्राव संभवैः सहस्रशो जगद्व्याप्तं तत्प्रमाणैर महासुरैः. Having been torn by the chakra, the discus of Vaishnavi, whatever blood is flowing out of Rudirasrava Sambhavaihi, Sahasrasho Jagadvyaptam, the whole place now, the whole universe is now getting filled with the thousands of this Mahasura with the same dimensions, form, and the valor and strength. Again, because Thunderbolt did not work, they probably thought Thunderbolt didn't work, let us try the discus. Now the discus is tried and even the same thing is happening with the discus. Now, again, just focus, don't try to answer the question, you just focus on what is happening and be present to that. Don't try to analyze the situation. Look at it. The moment you look at it, you will see this happening. You are seeing this happening right in front of ourselves. Vaishnavi chakra bhinnasya rudhirasrava sambhavaih sahasrasho jagadvyaptam tat pramanair mahasurai. Brothers and sisters, what I'm saying is, don't let thoughts come to analyze the situation. Don't analyze the situation yet. Just look at what is happening. Be present to what is happening. The moment you analyze, you are missing the opportunity to look at it. Because the mind will say, oh, that's it. I got it. And you missed it. And that's the trick of the mind. You understand what I'm saying? You don't analyze the situation. You just are present to it completely. Total attention and presence. And that is what is meant by be aware and be alert. Don't analyze. What we do is, when we look at a situation, before we even totally look at the situation, we jump to statements. We jump to analysis. We jump into the situation so that we can fix it. And that is what Vaishnavi is doing. That is what somebody else is doing. These are Matruganas going through this, huh? Not ordinary people. Matruganas. She saw the thunderbolt is not working. She jumped in and started using. Same thing is happening. Vaishnavi chakra bhinnasya rudhirasrava sambhavaih sahasrasho jagadvyaptam tat pramanair mahasuraih.
Vaishnavi chakra bhinnasya rudhirasrava sambhavaih.
Vaishnavi chakra bhinnasya rudhirasrava sambhavaih. Vaishnavi chakra bhinnasya rudhirasrava sambhavaih.
Sahasrasho jagadvyaptam tat pramanair mahasuraih.
Sahasrasho jagadvyaptam tat pramanair mahasuraih. Sahasrasho jagadvyaptam tat pramanair mahasuraih.
वैष्णवी चक्रभिन्नस्य रुधिरस्रावसम्भवैः सहस्रशो जगद्व्याप्तं तत्प्रमाणैर्महासुरैः
वैष्णवी चक्रभिन्नस्य रुधिरस्रावसम्भवैः सहस्रशो जगद्व्याप्तं तत्प्रमाणैर्महासुरैः वैष्णवी चक्रभिन्नस्य रुधिरस्रावसम्भवैः सहस्रशो जगद्व्याप्तं तत्प्रमाणैर्महासुरैः
Shaktya Jaghana Kaumari. Now more people are entering into the war scene. Kaumari came with the veil, Shaktya Jaghana, and she hit him with the veil, the spear. Varahi cha tathasina. Asi means khadga, sword. Varahi hit him with the asi, the sword. Maheshwari hit him with Trishula. Maheshwari Trishulena. Raktabijam Mahasuram. Now he is getting hit by how many? Already he is getting hit by thunderbolt, with the discus, with the veil, with the sword, with the Trishula, the trident. All of them are hitting him now. Shaktya Jaghana Kaumari Varahi cha tathasina Maheshwari Trishulena Raktabijam Mahasuram.
शक्त्या जघान कौमारी वाराही च तथासिना
शक्त्या जघान कौमारी वाराही च तथासिना शक्त्या जघान कौमारी वाराही च तथासिना
माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन रक्तबीजं महासुरम्
माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन रक्तबीजं महासुरम् माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन रक्तबीजं महासुरम्
शक्त्या जघान कौमारी वाराही च तथासिना माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन रक्तबीजं महासुरम्
शक्त्या जघान कौमारी वाराही च तथासिना माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन रक्तबीजं महासुरम् शक्त्या जघान कौमारी वाराही च तथासिना माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन रक्तबीजं महासुरम्
Sachapi Gadaya Daitya Sarva Eva Hanat Puruthak. Sacha Api Gadaya Daityaha, using his mace, the great Asura Raktabija, he started hitting back. Matru Kopa Samavishto Raktabijo Mahasuraha. So he's returning the blows onto the mothers using his Gada. Sagadaya Daitya Sarva Eva Hanat Puruthak. So now you can see here another oval is coming. And I don't want to distract you with the chanting piece so much, but by this time everybody would have gotten all these different elements, and I've been explaining them also in the practice sessions. So it has to go automatically. The technicalities will become automatic as we keep looking at those things. That's why we are repeating those things, but we are already into more than 70% of the study. So there is no need for other people. You have to pay attention automatically. Sachapi Gadaya Daitya Sarva Eva Hanat पृथक् मातृकोपसमाविष्टो रक्तबीजो महासुरः
स चापि गदया दैत्यः सर्वा एवाहनत् पृथक्
स चापि गदया दैत्यः सर्वा एवाहनत् पृथक् स चापि गदया दैत्यः सर्वा एवाहनत् पृथक्
मातृकोपसमाविष्टो रक्तबीजो महासुरः
मातृः कोपसमाविष्टो रक्तबीजो महासुरः मातृः कोपसमाविष्टो रक्तबीजो महासुरः
स चापि गदया दैत्यः सर्वा एवाहनत् पृथक् मातृः कोपसमाविष्टो रक्तबीजो महासुरः
स चापि गदया दैत्यः सर्वा एवाहनत् पृथक् मातृः कोपसमाविष्टो रक्तबीजो महासुरः स चापि गदया दैत्यः सर्वा एवाहनत् पृथक् मातृः कोपसमाविष्टो रक्तबीजो महासुरः
तस्या हतस्य बहुधा शक्तिशूलादिभिर्भुविः पपातयो वै रक्तौ घस्तेन संच्छतशोऽसुराः. And from this stream of blood, papatayo vai raktaugha stena sanchatasho suraha, from the stream of blood which fell on the earth, receiving the blows, tasya hatasya bahudha, several different blows from all these weapons, Shakti, Shuladi means Shakti, Shula, and so on. And what happened? Hundreds of asuras came into existence. How many shlokas are spent on this particular point? Be in the war. Look at the war. Don't analyze. Don't try to figure out how else he could be attacked. Oh, these mothers did not have any other ideas. How crazy are they? Don't try to figure out what is the solution for the mother. You be in the war and you're just watching. You are not in the war. You are watching the war. You are the witness to this war. You are not in the war. You are a witness to this war. The moment you become witness, you have to understand, you are not in the scene fighting. Nor are you giving ideas to other people who are fighting. Okay, it's like watching a movie. Oh, come on, hit. Oh, come on, how come you are watching a movie? You're telling the guy on the screen, hit, come on, how come you're not hitting back? This is what is happening to us. Start just watching, not trying to figure out a solution. Swati Iyer, are you hearing this? She's figuring out all other ideas. How to help the mothers. Be in the war. You are not in the war. You are watching the war. You are a witness to the war. Tasya hatasya bahudha shakti shuladibhir bhuvihi papatayo vai raktau ghastena sanchatasho suraga. Brothers and sisters, I'm making it very clear to you. I hope you're looking at the war just like I am trying to look at the war, not figuring a solution out yet. And she's saying, Pasha, how come they didn't use the Pasha? Swati is asking me the question. I'm asking the question, who has Pasha? Which of the 7 mothers has Pasha as the weapon? Pasha means the moose. Which one has it of the 7 mothers? Yes. Swati Iyer, I'm asking, who has that? Huh?
I was thinking like when she knew that ek se badhkar ek, there are
Hey,
more.
no, I don't know Hindi. I don't know
Okay,
Hindi.
I thought like if she knows all these asuras are so powerful, why can't she kind of figure out, okay, now this enemy is coming, so why don't
Yes.
I use this?
Yeah. Figure out is what you don't figure out. You are not in the war. You are witness to the war. It is very important to understand this. There is a extremely significant point to this, which you will not get until you really pay attention to what I am saying. You are a witness to this war. You are not fighting the war. Don't give. Brahmani doesn't have Pasham Chitralekha. Please pay attention. Brahmani has the Rudrakshamala. Okay, thank you. Sairam. And don't post comments directly to everyone, please. I already made it clear. You will be distracting other people. If you have comments, just directly post it to me and it will be addressed. And I'm just watching the war right now. Don't get distracted with solutions. Watch the war. Tasya hatasya bahudha shakti shuladibhir bhuvihi papatayo vai raktau ghaste na sanchatasho surah.
तस्याः तस्य बहुधा शक्तिशूलादिभिर्भुवि
तस्याः तस्य बहुधा शक्तिशूलादिभिर्भुवि तस्याः तस्य बहुधा शक्तिशूलादिभिर्भुवि
पपातयो वै रक्तौघस्तेन सञ्छतशोऽसुराः
पपातयो वै रक्तौघस्तेन सञ्छतशोऽसुराः पपातयो वै रक्तौघस्तेन सञ्छतशोऽसुराः
तस्याः तस्य बहुधा शक्तिशूलादिभिर्भुवि पपातयो वै रक्तौघस्तेन सञ्छतशोऽसुराः
तस्याः तस्य बहुधा शक्तिशूलादिभिर्भुवि पपातयो वै रक्तौघस्तेन सञ्छतशोऽसुराः तस्याः तस्य बहुधा शक्तिशूलादिभिर्भुवि पपातयो वै रक्तौघस्तेन सञ्छतशोऽसुराः
तैष्त एष च असुरा सुकृत संभूतैः असुरैः सकलं jagat. All those that were emerging from the blood drops of that Rakta Bija, they filled the whole world. The whole world is now filled with these asuras that were born from the blood of Rakta Bija, and that caused Deva Bhayama Jagmuruttamam. The greatest of the Devas now started fearing. They were alarmed at this. They could not comprehend what is going on here. My God, all these Saptamatrikas attacking, and he is getting the blows, and every single blood drop becoming all these massive asuras that are fighting. They were totally alarmed. Taischa asura sukrut sambhutai rasurai sakalan jagat vyaptamasi tato deva Bhayama Jagmuruttamam. Oh my God. Yes, are you present? Are you present?
Yes, we do.
Okay, Jai Sai Ram. Let's go. Taishchasra.
तैश्चासुरासृक् सम्भूतैरसुरैः सकलं जगत्
तैश्चासुरासृक्सम्भूतैरसुरैः सकलं जगत् तैश्चासुरासृक्सम्भूतैरसुरैः सकलं जगत्
व्याप्तमासीत् ततो देवा भयमाजग्मुरुत्तमम्
व्याप्तमासीत् ततो देवा भयमाजग्मुरुत्तमम् व्याप्तमासीत् ततो देवा भयमाजग्मुरुत्तमम्
तैश्चासुरासृक् सम्भूतैरसुरैः सकलं जगत् व्याप्तमासीत् ततो देवा भयमाजग्मुरुत्तमम्
तैश्चासुरासृक्सम्भूतैरसुरैः सकलं जगत् व्याप्तमासीत् ततो देवा भयमाजग्मुरुत्तमम् तैश्चासुरासृक्सम्भूतैरसुरैः सकलं जगत् व्याप्तमासीत् ततो देवा भयमाजग्मुरुत्तमम्
Tan Vishannan Suran Drishtva Chandika. The mother Chandika saw this. Suras, the gods, were Vishannan. They were perplexed and they were stifled. Looking at all these gods getting stifled. Prahasatvara, the mother started speaking again. She jumped and Chandika Prahasatvara, when all of those were stifled, she looked at them and she laughed. Chandika laughed. Prahasatvara, she had a laugh. And then she said, Uvacha Kalim Chamunde. Then Chamundi told to Kali, Vistirnam Vadarankuru. Open your mouth, Kali, she said. Tan Vishannan Suran Drishtva Chandika Prahasatvara Uvacha Kalim Chamunde Vistirnam Vadanankuru.
तान् विषण्णान् सुरान् दृष्ट्वा चण्डिका प्राह सत्वर
तान् विषण्णान् सुरान् दृष्ट्वा चण्डिका प्राहसत्वरा तान् विषण्णान् सुरान् दृष्ट्वा चण्डिका प्राहसत्वरा
उवाच कालीं चामुण्डे विस्तीर्णं वदनं कुरु
उवाच कालीं चामुण्डे विस्तीर्णं वदनं कुरु उवाच कालीं चामुण्डे विस्तीर्णं वदनं कुरु
तान् विषण्णान् सुरान् दृष्ट्वा चण्डिका प्राह सत्वर उवाच कालीं चामुण्डे विस्तीर्णं वदनं कुरु
तान् विषण्णान् सुरान् दृष्ट्वा चण्डिका प्राहसत्वरा उवाच कालीं चामुण्डे विस्तीर्णं वदनं कुरु तान् विषण्णान् सुरान् दृष्ट्वा चण्डिका प्राहसत्वरा उवाच कालीं चामुण्डे विस्तीर्णौ वदनं कुरु।
And what she told, Machhastrapata Sambhutan Raktabindun Mahasuran, with the blow of my Shastras on Raktabindu the Mahasura, Raktabindoh Pratichatvam Vaktrena Anena Vegina. Then whatever are the drops of blood that are falling, Vaktrenanena Vegina Tvam Praticha, you start consuming every drop of the blood that is falling on your tongue. So she said, you extend your tongue and I am going to hit him, and whatever is every drop of blood that is falling, Vaktrenanena Vegina, and you will consume the blood drops of Raktabija. Machhastrapata Sambhutan Raktabindun Mahasuran Raktabindov Prati Chatvam Vaktrenanena Vegina.
Machhastrapata sambhutan raktabindun mahasuran.
Machhastrapata sambhutan raktabindun mahasuran. Machhastrapata sambhutan raktabindun mahasuran.
Raktabindov pratichatvam vaktrenanena vegina.
Raktabindov pratichatvam vaktrenanena vegina. Raktabindov pratichatvam vaktrenanena vegina.
Machhastrapata sambhutan raktabindun mahasuran. Raktabindov pratichatvam vaktrenanena vegina.
Machhastrapata sambhutan raktabindun mahasuran. Raktabindov pratichatvam vaktrenanena vegina. Machhastrapata sambhutan raktabindun mahasuran. Raktabindov pratichatvam vaktrenanena vegina.
Jai Sai Ram. I think that's a good place to pause, and we'll come back next. What happens on the scene? This is a very, very important spiritual aspect that we have to pay attention to. It's much deeper than what we are looking at just as the story. And I will let you 1 week to contemplate on this scene. And at 2 o'clock California time today, we'll have the practice of the chapter 8. And if you need a link, you can go to the website that we have shared with you. All the Zoom links are there. Most important thing I want to share with you is, please, please, as much as possible, join the collective prayers and collective sadhana. This is very important to fight against all the ailments that are occurring right now. Individually, we cannot fight this war. We have to fight this collectively. Even the Saptamatrukas were collectively trying to hit this Raktabija, couldn't do much. The variants are spreading like crazy. One variant going to another variant. And I know so many of my brothers and sisters are going through this very tough, more stress than anything else on families and friends. Do not take this war that we are fighting easily. Be present to this. And the only way you can raise this immunity is by collective prayers. I am begging all of you, don't do this individual sadhanas. Your individual sadhana will only help you a small little drop. But when you collectively come together and pray, you create a flow of the river. Your individual prayer would be a drop of rain falling on a desert. But our collective prayers would be a river that would sustain the whole universe. And I cannot tell, I can only say I'm begging, I'm falling on your feet, requesting this. Don't do this individual stuff. It's about time that we collectively come together. And this unity is what Bhagavan emphasizes for spiritual aspirant. Expansion to unity with every single being is the ultimate expansion is my life, Bhagavan said. So therefore, whether you are doing your practices in the context, oh, I am doing practice on my own. I am doing sadhana on my own. Yeah, please, you're doing something and it is better than not doing. But at the least, what I'm requesting is, if you truly want your prayer to be effective, 1 + 1 = 10 will only happen through Sahana Vavatu, Sahana Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karavavahai, Tejasvinavadhitamastu, Mavidvishavahai. That is what is the request for today. And we'll continue the scene with Raktabija next week. And today afternoon, we'll have the practice. We will close with Kshama Prarthana. I will stay on the line for a few more minutes. If you want to share your opinion, and Swati has so many ideas of how to fight the war, and she can share those as well. So, Om Yadaksharapada Bhrashtam Matra Hinantu Yad Bhaven Tat Sarvan Kshamyatan Deva नारायण नमोस्तुते विसर्गबिंदु मात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व साईश्वर अपराध सहस्राणि क्रियन्ते हर्निशं मया दासोऽयमिति मां मत्वा क्षमस्व साईश्वर अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्य भावेन रक्ष रक्ष साईश्वर हरिः ओं तत्सत् श्री साईश्वरार्पणमस्तु स्वस्तिः प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेण मार्गेण महिं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ओम Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Jai Sai Ram. Now, these Matraganas, what they represent as the 7 Matraganas, which is the forces of the mind that is within us, that represent all the different 9 planets as well, wherein Chandika, the mother herself, is the sun, Maheshwari is the moon, Narasimhi is the Mars, Vaishnavi is the Mercury, so on and so forth. And you can ask the question, how do these planets influence each person differently? Because they're bloody planets, they're fixed in one place. These planets that we're talking about are the forces that are within us, associated with the movement of our own self, happens naturally, and these are invoked in the context of having a stable mind. That is the inner significance of those matrukas, and each of them has a particular weapon to be using, and that's what and a vehicle to be used, etc. There is a significance to, I think I went through this with why the lion is the vehicle for the mother and why not something else, right? Why is the lotus the seat for Mahalakshmi? Why is the Hamsa, the swan, the vehicle for Mahasaraswati? All of that has significance related to ourselves. When this mind is associated with the himsa, when the mind is associated with fear, it resolves to himsa, violence. When the mind is fearless, it becomes simha, himsa, simha. Understand that? Then there is hamsa. Then there is soham. Himsa, simha, hamsa, soham. Meditate on these words. Simha, fearlessness. Abhayam, ahimsa. Asangam, anandam. When Swami Vivekananda was asked the question, condense spirituality into 4 words, he said, I will only use the first 2 letters of the alphabet. A. He didn't even go beyond A. The first A is Abhayam, be like a lion, fearless, face the fear. Why fear when I am here? Oh, that is what Bhagavan said. Adhyavocha dadhivakta prathamo daivyo bhishak. Fear. And that fear is what you run away from. Don't run away from fear. Face the fear. With what? With I am. Why fear when I am here is what Swami is not saying is I as that 5 foot 3 inches body. When I am is here, when the presence of I am is there, then in the I am, there is no fear. And that is Simha. Your I am presence becomes Simha, which becomes the vehicle of the divine presence. Divine presence is located in I am consciousness. And these different mothers and what this Rakta Bija, I don't want to give any answers to any question. Each one has to be present. And you contemplate on all these slokas that we went to today, the 13 or 14, which elaborately describe the same point over and over again, getting hit with that weapon, getting hit with this weapon, getting hit by this mother, by that mother, and why they couldn't even do anything, and what is the significance of this mother, asking Kali to stretch her tongue, open her mouth and stretch her tongue. Think about that. Meditate on that. Be present. Don't find solution. Just look at what is happening. Just look at it. By the way, Swati, nobody has Pasha in the 7 mothers, okay?
Right.
Yes, thank you. So, and Pasha won't kill the guy. It will only bind the guy. you cannot try to bind the guy. At the end of the day, even if you bind it, you have to hit him to kill him. So anyway, the point is, look at the war. Look at what is happening. And what is the reason why the mother has asked Kali to stretch her tongue? That is what we need to think about. Jai Sai Ram. Yes, Amma, what are you saying? Sorry, I interrupted you.
I was thinking, why not put the noose around his neck and kill him in that way?
Yeah, kill him with what?
With that noose, same noose with the Pasha around the neck.
Oh, strangle him and kill him.
Strangle him without spilling the blood.
Okay. I will definitely recommend that to her next time. She missed the point. Okay. All right. Again, don't try to find the solution to, you are the witness. You are not in the war. The moment you get into the war, you lost the point. You became one of the parties to the war. This is another very important point. I am saying it very lightly. You may take what I am saying as a very simple statement. You are the witness to the war. You are not in the war. You are not the fighting party. Hello. This is very important. Okay, next. Any other questions, comments? Very beautiful. Thank you for all of those who are joining the prayers collectively. And I know if you are traveling and your schedule doesn't permit, you are sick. I understand outstanding, extraordinary circumstances where you choose to do it individually. The point is not pressure, but do it as much as possible. As much as possible. Just join as much as possible. Okay. Thank you. Sai Ram. Any other questions? Sai Ram. Have a wonderful week.
You were saying that you'll tell the inner significance later, right? That 4 mantras are repeating on the Shaktivija always.
I'm not going to tell you anything, Amma. You are looking at it yourself. I am nobody to tell. I'm just a commentator. I'm like watching the cricket game and I'm telling the commentary. This is what is happening. This guy is coming and bowling so fast on the half and middle stumps. And then Gavaskar hit the ball. I'm very old, right? So, okay. So I'm only giving commentary. You are watching the game yourself. I am nobody to tell. Okay? Are you watching the game? Yes. Keep watching.
Anna, we do have to fight the war too, right? I mean, this is all
who is the who to fight the war?
I mean, in our day-to-day life, we are fighting that war, right? With all the asuras that we have.
Yes, but first be present. Don't try to figure out a solution. Are you present first? When you get pain, are you present to the pain? Be with the pain, in the pain. That's what is the significance of this. The moment you try, I mean, you see some people, I mean, including the person who is speaking guilty of this, has answer to every bloody problem without even looking at the problem. Sometimes just looking at the problem will find the solution. Immediately you want to jump and answer a question, but you want to say, let me look at the question. Yes. This is what is the missing point. Immediately Vaishnavi, Varagi, everybody jumped into the war and they want to attack and do something and hitting the guy over and over again, knowing that if you hit the guy, his blood will create more problem. Yes. I'm not saying don't fight. First principle is follow the master. Then face the devil. Fight to the end, finish the game. First principle is, have you connected to the master? And that master is the master witness. Yes. Am I too intense today? Sorry. Is it too intense? Swati?
No, it's bringing out the serenity, you know. So really appreciate all your inputs.
I think you are putting a focus, the focus that we should be doing. I think you are stressing that, and that is important.
Yes, and when you be aware. Are you aware of the situation? And if you are not aware of it, you can't do anything about it. You create a solution that is so temporary. And then your mind will play this game. I figured out a solution. And now let's jump. And yesterday, when was I saying? Yeah, like yesterday I was saying, you have a problem. Instead of attacking the problem, you go to a movie or you go to a game and come back thinking that this problem will disappear. No, the problem has not disappeared. Your mind distracted, you go do something else. Like that's exactly what happens with our life. 99% of the time, we think by running away and escaping from it, we have solved the problem. No, you actually created more Rakta Bijas. And now you hit it temporarily with some solution. and then you created more Rakta Bijas, and then you keep hitting it so many different ways. No, you have not eliminated the Rakta Bija. Oh, yes. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, Anna, you said like, for A you said Abhayam. What is that A means?
There are three As and then one A. Okay, now he is writing down all this. Okay. Abhayam, Ahimsa. Abhayam leads to Ahimsa. Ahimsa leads to Asangam. Asangam leads to Anandam. And this Abhayam is Himsa, Himsa Simha, Hamsa Soham, that I keep saying, the speaker keeps saying. Vivekananda very simply put it as the four beautiful spiritual principles of a person. Abhayam, first is fearlessness. Second is Ahimsa, automatically gives Ahimsa. And that Ahimsa is leads to Asangam. Asangam leads to Anandam. Yes. Alu apply. Yes.
What does it mean, Asangam?
Huh?
What does it mean, Asangam?
Detachment. Thank you for asking that question. I know we speak language that is gibberish. Huh? First one is Abhayam, fearlessness. Next one is Ahimsa, non-violence. Third is detachment, Asangam. Fourth one is bliss, Anandam. Not happiness. Hello. Not a happy new year. Have a blissful new year. No? Nobody says have a blissful new year. But it says a happy new year. That Swamiji very beautifully described in that song for the New Year wish. He says very beautifully, what we are looking at is happiness means you can get happiness by so many ways. Huh? Indulging in sensual pleasure also gives temporary happiness, but that is not permanent happiness. That's a happiness based on a desire, which is actually creates more problem. It is ashubham. What he's saying is mudam shubham. Happiness that is associated with without any reason why you have to be happy, not based on a reason. That is, have a blissful new year. Jai Sai Ram. Okay, we are closing. A lot of people are dropping, they can't deal with any of this stuff. You can't face this. Yes. Any question?
Shekhar, one more question. In one of the slokas, he fought with Indra's Shakti. And then there is the second part says Aindri.
Yeah.
So
Aindri is the Shakti form of Indra. Indra is the same Shakti. When it is a male, it is called Indra. When it is female, it is Aindri. Very simple. The same Shakti when it is referred to as male, Maheshwara. Same Shakti referred to as feminine, Maheshwari. In fact, they don't have genders. It is created for our convenience to relate to them. Because we operate in the dual world, we want to look at world as male, female, and therefore it is created for our sake. In reality, there is only one Shakti. If you call it by male, it is Shiva. If you call it as female, it is Shiva. Yes. Longer answer than you expected. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ah, Sai Ram. Thank you. Thank you, Ram. Don't face the googlies, Ram. Ram is worried about cricket match.
Sai Ram, sir.
There are bouncers and there are googlies, and you need to know when to duck and you need to know when to hit. Simple. Life is very simple. Instead, we are trying to attack every ball, Even with a helmet, it will come and hit you. When there is a bouncer, you need to know I have to duck. When it is a wide, you don't chase it. Life is a game. Play it. Jai Sai Ram. Thank you all. Wonderful.